get good eye blow. I said hi blow, I want blow person. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl here, Habies. For those of you that are new to my channel, you are very welcome to my channel. Today guys, I decided to do a makeup routine. It's the no makeup look. Makeup routine or makeup challenge. It's more like you're wearing the makeup, but at the same time you're not wearing the makeup. How is that possible? I know that's crazy. So it's the kind of makeup that I wear the days that I want to wear makeup, but at the same time I don't want my makeup to be very crazy. Just something so simple, natural. Sometimes you want to go out, you don't really have the time to wear makeup, especially me that is a mom. I don't have time to really make my makeup so flawless or so much. So going natural sometimes is always the best. I really love this kind of makeup. It's the kind of makeup I do all the time. So, but I want to make this video a little bit more different. I've never really done a video where I'm using broken English before. I'm from Nigeria. Where I grew up in Nigeria, I speak a lot with Pidgin English. Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria, that's where I'm from. So I speak a lot of Pidgin English with my friends over the phone. You know what, it's good I do videos sometimes with Pidgin English. I've never really been to any other part of Africa, so I don't really know how their broken English sounds like. But I think Ghanaians, they speak broken English, and I think South Africa speak broken English as well. And I think I used to have a Cameroon friend, she speak broken English. So that's what I'm going to be using today guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this. It's my first time doing this. I hope it goes well. For those of you that doesn't understand broken English, I'm so sorry, and I think it's very easy to understand. I think you can still be able to follow the video, understand what I'm saying. Just listen. Look at my lips. Look at my lips. So my people, today I want to do makeup tutorial. The first one I'll put for my face today now is my primer. So this primer, when I want to use that from a Fenty Beauty primer, just they make your makeup last for the whole day. Like even though say you sweat, it will keep everything, it will soak everything in. I really love this primer. Huh? The smell, nice boy. So the next one I go put for my face now it makes my makeup the glide. The makeup go just do get what I mean? Go just make it this smooth. So before I start, I don't already apply my cream for face. So the foundation when I want to use now, this my Fenty Beauty as well, the Pro Flex, the one they call Pro Flex. So I'll just put small of the foundation for the back of my hand like this. And foam I will call this one, maybe like foam now, sponge foam, because for Nigerian I foam we go call this one. This one is the foam where they just cut carve now. So I'll take the foam like this, just dab them for my face. Take the thing, go inside like this. Make everything for just blend well, you know. Carry on, go your neck, safe. Okay, don't do okay like this now. Do nothing. So if you add as much as you want to, anyhow you want time, just do it your way. But for me, because I like this kind of makeup I want to do, I don't want to make too much. This one had very small. This one I LA Girl, a Pro Concealer. This one I Toast. So I just put that one under my hair like this. So try to bring and go up a little bit more, make it really cover and well. The same sponge when I use, so I'll just turn them around, use the other side of the sponge. You really need setting spray, really they make your makeup like they glide, just they make everything look smooth, you know. So just use it and take that bam. If you just carry and come up, say bring and come up, may just kind of cover your hair. Based on say we're not going to use eyeshadow for this thing now. So if you bring the thing come up like that, go be like say the eyeshadow small, you know. So I like to use the other side just to use and make everything blending together. Because you don't want line around. So when you go use the other side where the foundation they take one, you go be like say everything on your blending, you know. Concealer they make your eye they awake. Maybe your eye be like that's where they come from sleep now. So when you go your put concealer, everything go just lift. They lift your eyes, they make you look fresh. As we don't they hold now. Me myself now not be small picking. I don't be small picking again, I know. Not the hold though. Because when I know makeup look. Normally I go bake my face. You know that they bake them now. But not be careful. So I don't go bake, I go just use normal powder. Just want to take eyeshadow, the natural side for this my eyeshadow like this. Eyeshadow, now very natural one. I just use it the set. Sometimes if you don't set your eyelid, this area go fit on the sweat. You go wear the sweat. But if you set them with powder like this eyeshadow when I take the set now, Go just make sure say that area you no sweat, you know. This one na my concealer they call am the Match Sticks. This one na Fenty Beauty concealer when I dey use. Use am for my nose. Not too much, just something small. My nose na a must, guys. I like my nose. I will just use my hand. The hand I will use for this one. I don't like to dey use brush. I just think say brush sometimes not dey blend down well to my satisfaction, so I prefer to just use hand. That one will just lift my nose a little bit. So I go take the dark one for this same Fenty Beauty. I just want to use the dark one, take kind of contour my nose a little bit. And the same hand I go use, just use the other part of my hand. Just take contour am. Contour. This one is my Real Technique brush. I don't know the one that they call them. The thing don't click on, so I just use it and take blend down. Everything just blend together. Eyebrow na a must for me. I won't go out. Eyebrow na a must. Though say I not to get perfect brow, because I need to shave my brow. When I don't laugh me. So now one thing when I feel they do before I do makeup. Just say for this one I don't feel do eyebrow. This one I like my best eyebrow at the moment. Now this is my slick. I don't like to they do eyebrow for camera. I always make mistake if I do eyebrow from cameras. I leave on like this now. So that my LA Girl concealer when I used earlier on. So I go use that one to do my eyebrow. Just small. Can just stay cleaner. If you get good eyebrow. I say eyebrow, I want blow person. If you get good eyebrow, you don't need to even clean and say just leave on like that. I say the thing too much now. But anyway, I will try and make it blend down. Perfect eyebrow. This one not be eyebrow tutorial. This one not be eyebrow tutorial. So make we leave eyebrow I do like that. The powder when I used to do na my L'Oreal Mercier L'Oreal Mercier translucent powder. Those areas now when I use concealer earlier on, I'll just put that powder. Just to set everything. If to set like compact powder now, I'll just use my powder brush. Take one. Because when I my translucent powder, if I use powder brush, you see and see this area go full of powder. That makes me to use this one. So now I go take my powder brush now, just to blend everything in. So as we don't use powder now, the next one I use for my face like this now, bronzer. So when I use this bronzer, just around those my jaw lines and those the perimeter of my face. Be like say I contour, but I not contour. So now this one I always use just to kind of give that my contour effect, you know. This bronzer when I use, I cover girl they call them. I use it for my jawline. Now to use my mascara. This one I Rimmel. So I just use mascara for my eyes. Maybe just lift my eyes a little bit. I don't use eyeliner for this because I want that natural look. I don't want to make people know say I wear makeup. I'll make sure say I don't blink eyes. You blink eyes, then I go stain my makeup. So the lipstick when I want to use now, this is my MAC. I think na chestnut. I say lipstick, lip liner. This lip liner don't suffer for my hand. So I go buy new one. Your sister not see her still go market, go buy new one. So not until this thing can't just reach the end, pata. Say the thing not can fit carve again. I use carve flare take carve am. So I don't go give up. I will never give up on you. This lip pencil, you need to get one. This one supposed to be your makeup collection, I swear. So the lipstick when I want to use now my L'Oreal Color Rich Matte lip gloss na must for me. Even though say I don't wear lipstick, I must use lip gloss. If maybe your face will be like this, as you use lip gloss, now some lip gloss go lift everything up for you. As I don't wear all this one, so this makeup never complete. The whole way this thing go take complete for me. Now if I use my highlighter. So the highlighter when I go to use today now my sleek highlighter. Precious Mentor. This one is Precious Mentor, yeah. But this one is BS way. Like highlighter na a must. For this my cheekbone, no man. No, be those kind of highlighter we say you go use your face go just they blink, they show everybody say I wear highlighter. This highlighter not they show the face at all. This highlighter, you know we will say you wear them. So even though say I don't wear makeup, but I like say if I turn give person like this, my face could show them I wear highlighter. If I turn come like this, light go glint, I wear highlighter. I must wear highlighter. Every other things Nigeria, they don't matter to me anymore. And foundation. Now to come finish your makeup, then you can't use this spray. As you spray this thing, everything go lock, bam. It go lock, bam. It go season everything go inside. It go, you know. I don't know how to explain. It goes season everything, man. It goes so calm. It goes, you know. So you need to spray this one. This one I must for me. This one I'm a no makeup look, guys. Why they make mistake today. My mouth just the, you know, just the slap. So this one I my no makeup look. Like I want to go see person. I just want to go shopping mall now. I just lazy. I want to look say I did on flick, but at the same time I not today on flick. So now this kind of look I did do. So I said make I just complete this look. Make I wear earring. Mona for see how this whole thing be. I hope say una like this look. So I also wanna like this video. I also wanna enjoy my pidgin English. So if I want to see more videos for pidgin, maybe when I want to make I do something with pidgin, you can just let me know for comment section. I like to speak pidgin. Now my English, now even the pidgin, I sweet pass on my mouth, pass all this grammar when I speak for this channel. Everybody just they happy. I make me they speak calm. But if I want to enjoy something like pidgin, now they enjoy. For those of you that don't understand pidgin, I hope you guys enjoy my no makeup look. That is for this video. So catch you guys again in my next video. Bye bye. So much for watching. I always like to end my video like this. I love you, but you know love you more? Jesus love. God loved you. So always remember that. So catch you guys again.